Hey guys, Namaskar. I hope that you all are well and fine. Today we are going to do our last exercise, that is question number 3 of chapter number 16, Was and War. It's a very simple exercise. What we have to do is we have to answer these questions in yes and no along with framing the sentences. So let's begin. The first is, was Jill at the market? No, she was not. Come to B. Were the boys at school? And the answer is no, they were not. Now, were the boys at the zoo? Yes, they were. Then, was Jill at the library? Yes, she was. Yesterday we had seen question number 2 na. This question is related to that exercise only. Now, let us see the next one. Was Jill at the library? Yes, she was. Then come to E. Were Sam and Kim at the zoo? No, they were not. Then come to the next one. Was Ben at the library? No, he was not. Zeal was at the library. Very good. Then come to G. Were Sam and Kim at school? Yes, they were. Then come to the last one. Was Ben at the market? Yes, he was. Let us repeat all the question one more time. Were the boys at the school? No, they were not. Were the boys at the zoo? Yes, they were. Was Zeal at the library? Yes, she was. Were Sam and Kim at the zoo? No, they were not. Was Ben at the library? No, he was not. Were Sam and Kim at school? Yes, they were. Was Ben at the market? Yes, he was. See how easily we had completed this exercise? Now let us do mind mapping. For making you to understand this concept more easily, let us do mind mapping in our notebook number 1B. Take out your notebook number 1B. Give heading chapter number 16, was, were. Done, dear kids? Then give heading mind mapping. Then let's start writing. First write it down. I, he. Then write it down she. And then it. And then draw a oval like this. Draw it like this. Make a arrow. These words are singular pronouns and it's used with was. Write it down, was. And then make an arrow like this and give at the store this morning. And if we read the sentence with it, it will become like this. I was at the store this morning. He was at the store this morning. She was at the store this morning. It was at the store this morning. See how easy it is? Now come to the next one. Were. We use were with we, you and they. Draw it like this. We, you and they. And then draw a box, write it down were and draw an arrow like this and write it down at the store this morning. And the sentences will become like this. We were at the store this morning. You were at the store this morning. They were at the store this morning. See how easily we had completed mind mapping? I hope that by this mind map you all understood the concept of was and were more nicely. Now let us do extra grammar exercise of was and were. Are you all ready for extra grammar exercise? So let's start. Fill in the blanks with was or were. Firstly, we will write all the question from A to H. Then we will write the answers of it. First is it dash a cold day. It dash a cold day. Second is the cat dash on the roof. Third is she dash happy to hear the news. Fourth is I dash at home when she came. Next one is my grandfather dash a sportsman. The another one is the students dash prepared for the test. The next is the minister dash honest and helpful. And the last one is Shah Rukh Khan dash a doctor in the movie. Done, dear kids? Now let us write the answers of it. The first answer is it was a cold day. Write it down. It was a cold day. The cat was on the roof. Then she was happy to hear the news. Then I के साथ क्या लगेगा? Was. I was at home when she came. Then the next one is my grandfather was a sportsman. Come to the next one. The students. We are talking about more than one. So we will write were. The student were prepared for the test. The minister was honest and helpful. Then Shah Rukh Khan was a doctor in the movie. So we had completed our first extra grammar exercise. It's time to give you the homework. So your homework is rewrite the following sentences by changing the underlying verb to was or were. आपको क्या करना है? रीराइट करने हैं सारे sentences changing the underlined verb to was and were. One has been done for you. Instead of writing I am in school, we will write I was in school. Now come to the second one. Write it down the heading. Rewrite the following sentences by changing the underlined verb to was or were. One has been done for you. Then write it down. First question. I am in school. Instead of writing I am in school, we will change this auxiliary verb and we will write I was in school. Then the second one is Mary is tired. Underline is, it is an auxiliary verb too. We will change it and we will make it Mary was. Then underline are, we are having fun. Write it down first, we are having fun. Then D1, you are at home. And leave one line just same, just like here. Alright. Then the door is open. Those are my friends. My parents are busy. Don't forget to underline the auxiliary verb which I had underlined here. It will help you to know how to change the verbs with was and were. Then the last one is Tim and Tony are good students. This is how the question is. And you have to give the answers of it in these lines. You have to write the answers of it in these lines. Alright. So this is your today's homework. By this, we had completed our chapter number 16, Was and Were. Dear kids, if you have any doubt, feel free to ask me. And if you have any query regarding homework, you can ask me too. Alright, so that's all for today. See you tomorrow. Till then, bye. Thank you and namaskar.